I'm not worried about being right or wrong. I'm not worried about being in love or in a relationship with him. I'm not worried. I'm not confused. I am scared. I think finding the right kind of person who loves me and respects me from every fragment of living scares me the most. I'm scared that if I drop my mask that I wear for the world and just be me, will he be able to accept it? I'm scared that if I let go of my barriers, will he still stand? I'm scared that if I let him into my world and show him my fears and tears, will he be able to take it? I'm scared that if he knows all my flaws and failings, will he judge me? Perhaps he might freeze, or maybe not. I want to find someone who looks into my eyes with utmost love, care and concern that would brighten up my world. I want someone who envelops me with so much passion and affection that connects straight to my soul. Someone who understands me, trusts me unconditionally, that sets my spirit free. Someone who wants to be with me not because of my outer beauty, but because of my inner soul. I would love to find someone who finds his muse in every particle of my being. I want someone who admires me, adores me, and sees all my downsides, and still chooses to be a part of me. Someone who realizes my shift emotions and overwhelming feelings and triggering points and holds me tight. Someone who never misses an opportunity to say the world how much he loves me and not backs to fight. I'm not confused. I am scared. You know what scares me the most is when I open up every part of myself. He might no longer look at me the same way, with same emotion and love. I'm scared that when I get close and start trusting him, he might break my trust and break my heart. I'm scared that when I give complete access into my life, into my world, into my heart, he might destroy my world and crush my soul. I'm scared that when I begin to love again, fall head over heels again, and let my heart feel that magic again, it would not last long before it fades and disappears. I'm scared that my emotions won't be valued again. My feelings won't be considered again. I need someone who handles all my layers and shades and imperfections and still loves me more and more every day for the same. Someone who pushes me to do better, encourages me to give my best. Someone who could be my biggest strength and strongest pillar of my life. someone who makes me feel safe and comfortable, someone who will cherish and embrace this connection, someone who motivates me, inspires me, and balances me, and drives me to shine personally and professionally. Someone who supports me in every step. Someone who sips a cup of coffee in the morning, who thinks about me in busy times, and who can't sleep without cuddling with me at night. Someone who appreciates and lives life with me without any interruption and without an end. I want someone to be the anchor of my life. I am not worried. I am scared. I'm not worried if he is the one for me. I'm scared because I know he is the one for me. I'm scared when I feel he is everything that I'm having, that I'm searching for. My partner, the love of my life, my soulmate. And what if he doesn't feel the same about me? And what if we are not on the same boat? And what if we are sailing in different directions? I'm scared that if I jump off my lifeboat into the deep ocean of uncertainty and vulnerability of love, he might just walk away, never looking back, leaving me behind with a broken heart and shattered dreams. And in the end, the hurt stays, the pain kills, and the story repeats. So yes, I am scared.